If you encounter an account suspended message on SendGrid, it can be concerning. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check email notifications. Look for any emails from SendGrid regarding your account status. They may provide specific reasons for the suspension and instructions on how to proceed. Step 2. Review account activity. Log into your SendGrid account and review your recent activity. Check for any unusual behavior, such as high bounce rates or spam complaints, which could have triggered the suspension. Step 3. Contact support. If you can't determine the cause of the suspension, reach out to SendGrid's support team. Provide them with your account details and any relevant information to expedite the resolution process. Step 4. Address issues. Once you identify the cause of the suspension, take necessary actions to rectify the issues. This may include cleaning your email list, improving your email content, or ensuring compliance with SendGrid's policies. Step 5. Request account reinstatement. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account suspended issue on SendGrid effectively. Remember to maintain good practices to prevent future suspensions.